So, if you're curious about why used cars are so expensive, I mean, obviously, we gave the government money and then they gave it out to a bunch of broke asses. That raises inflation. That's one of the reasons, because so many people had so much money to buy garbage, and people realized, well, I want that free money. If you give somebody $600 and you give everybody $600, then $600 isn't worth $600. But another reason why, and something that most people haven't realized, is because places like Carvana and all of these other places started buying up cars without seeing them. So they say, okay, well, we want to buy your 2012 Jeep. And they buy 10 Jeeps at $3,000 a piece for a total of 30 grand. Well, then they control the market on that Jeep, and they're able to mark the value of that Jeep up so high that, like, say they sell them for $6,000. Well, now instead of paying $3,000 for a Jeep you would have bought, you're paying $6,000. And these people have controlled it, and it's going to pretty soon. Trust me.